The BJP set to return to the government in Delhi after 27 years, while the CM pick is still awaited, but the BJP has gone all guns blazing already against Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. The Bharatiya Janata Party says will expose AAP corruption in 14 CAG reports. So 2 days after the victory, BJP is now jumped in to say Aam Aadmi Party did not show any CAG report in assembly. We will show it in the first assembly session that's happening. My colleague Ashutosh Mishra joins me on the first up for the latest on that. Ashutosh, good morning. So clearly, the BJP not letting this go away. They do think that even right now, the corruption charge is going to be the big issue. Tell us more. What are they going to highlight on?
Multiple such CAG reports, and remember, even before the elections, the Delhi Lieutenant Governor have been writing the Chief Minister, then the Chief Minister Atishi, to table all these reports. Even the BJP leaders, including Vijayendra Gupta, had moved High Court, whereas the High Court had refused to intervene or asking Speaker to convene the Assembly. Now, since the BJP in power, and remember, during the campaign, BJP made promises and BJP did ensure that right after forming the government, in the first session, they will table all these 14 CAG reports, including the construction of CM House, several reports on construction of schools and other infrastructure. So these critical reports will be tabled in the first session of the Delhi Assembly under the BJP regime, and that was the Vijayendra Gupta has said, and that's clearly also trouble mounts on the Aam Aadmi Party, because right after defeat, the BJP is leaving no stone turned to to escalate the fire as much as possible, and that CAG report will be a critical time for the AAP.
Ashutosh telling us what precisely is the plan of the Bharatiya Janata Party now. And will corruption become the big heated issue, at least in the first assembly session? And will it be now Parvesh Verma taking the lead or possibly another CM pick?